If you guys want to see how I made this delicious peach and mango juice, you just continue to watch this video. Absolutely refreshing. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm gonna make you some peach and some mango juice. Yeah, so in this blender I have my cut up peach and I also have my mango at the top, and I also add some ginger in it. So this is what this look like. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some water to my blender. So what I'm doing now, I'm just blending up my juice now. So my juice has finished blend, and this is what it look like. So now I'm gonna strain it. So that's my strainer there. I'm just gonna transfer my juice in my strainer. I'm gonna strain it at least 3 times because you want it to be smooth. It smells so good, guys. That mango and that peach, perfect. So this is gonna be my 3rd time straining it. Look at that color. It's amazing. I'm gonna strain it like 4 times, guys, because it seems it's a bit hard to strain. So I'm gonna strain it 4 times. So my juice has strained, and this is what it look like. As you can see, it is smooth. So this is exactly how it should look. So now I'm gonna strain my lime, because I'm gonna add 2 lime to it. So I'm just transforming my lime to my strainer, because I'm straining it basically. So I just add my lime. So now I'm gonna add my sugar. I'm using granulated sugar. You can use whatever sugar you prefer. Just sweeten it to your liking. I'm gonna taste it now. That is perfect, guys. That is perfect. Not too sweet, not too fresh, just perfect, just as though I want it to be. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in a glass for you guys and show you guys how it looks in the glass. So this is what my drinks look like in the glass. I hope you guys do enjoy this simple recipe. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.